Inside my backpack right here is my mini Starlink. I'm gonna show you how I get it fired up when I'm in the woods, middle of nowhere, because right now I'm at a place where there's no satellite service. So let me show you how this works and what I do. Pop this on the ground. The reason I like the mini Starlink is it's portable, easy to carry around. Obviously, I'm not hiking a million miles with what you see I have in here, but I am gonna show you how to hook it up and how easy it is to use. So first, we have the mini Starlink, right? Very easy to use. You have to take out your phone, take out my wife's phone, and you download the Starlink app, and then it just walks you through the process to connect it. Now, obviously, to make it work, you need to have power. So how do you get that power? Let me put this phone back. We'll put this, and right now where I'm at, if I go back this way, we do have a clear view of the sky. Obviously, for the satellite to work, it needs a clear view of the sky. Has a very long cord that you can see I have managed to get tangled 10 million ways in one, which I'm sure will get more and more tangled. So how do I power it? Sure, you can go buy a bunch of solar generators, and I do a kind of mixed version of that. One, I have my inverter. This is a 400-watt inverter. All I got to do is plug it in to my mini Starlink and flip the switch on. And then next, obviously, I need to be able to power the inverter, and I just have a very simple battery here. Nothing fancy with this battery. So I clip this here, I clip this here, it's already turned on. Okay, I hear it firing up. You can see the green light is on, so we got power. I can hear it humming, it's working. My Starlink is plugged in. Next, what I gotta do is, I'm on the app, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but it says calculating orientation because I have the app pulled up. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So what it does, it calculates the orientation, and then it says connect to Wi-Fi, there we go, okay. And then it connects. So again, the beauty of the mini Starlink dish is it's super easy to set up. You just put it out where you have a clear line of sight, because obviously you gotta be able to get to the satellites. If you're inside a building, it's not gonna work. Or if you had a ton of tree coverage, which I did over there, but I came to a spot that's a little more open, and I have a clear line of sight, and then it just connects to the app, and it walks you right through exactly what to do. I've got it powered up by my inverter and my battery, and now I can have satellite, or I can have internet no matter where I am. So I love going hiking in the woods. I love going hiking up in the mountains of Utah where there is no satellite. And sometimes this is when I say hiking, we'll drive to a remote campsite, and I can set this up when I need to work. So consider definitely getting one of these mini satellite dishes, mini Starlink. And the place I use, the place I recommend is spysatphone.com. That's where I got mine. They take good care of me. And consider getting this because there's so many natural disasters where people lose internet and all that. And if you have the Starlink dish, you don't have to worry about that. So again, spysatphone.com.